Class 4 English Workbook page number 92. Hello class 4 students, welcome to English class. Students, today we will learn the use of for and since. So let's start. For is used to specify a period of time. Example, I traveled for 3 weeks. Here 3 weeks represent period of time, so for is used. Since is used to specify the point of time. Example, they have lived in Oxford since 2004. Here, 2004 represents a particular period of time, so since is used in this sentence. Now, in page number 92, we will practice for and since. This is Santosh. He works in an office in Delhi. He went to Delhi in 2005. ये पिक्चर जो है ये संतोष का है. वह दिल्ली के एक ऑफिस में काम करते हैं. वे 2005 में दिल्ली गए. संतोष हैज़ वर्कड इन दिल्ली फॉर एट लीस्ट 10 years. संतोष दिल्ली में 10 सालों से काम कर रहे हैं. 10 years is here period of time. Santosh has worked in Delhi since 2005. संतोष दिल्ली में 2005 से काम करते आ रहे हैं. 2005 यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है. दिस इज़ आनंद. ही इज़ स्लीपिंग बिकॉज ही इज़ टायर्ड. ही वेंट टू स्लीप एट 10 o'clock. यह तस्वीर मिस्टर आनंद की है. ये सो रहे हैं इसलिए क्योंकि ये बहुत थक गए हैं. ये 10 बजे सोने गए. आनंद हैज़ बीन अस्लीप फॉर 2 hours. 2 hours जो है यहाँ पे पीरियड ऑफ टाइम है. आनंद हैज़ बीन अस्लीप सिंस 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है. नाउ हियर you have to write 5 sentences with for and 5 sentences with since. First, I have been playing for 3 hours. Second, Karan has been disturbing me since 10 minutes. Third, Mrs. Gupta has been teaching us for 2 years. Fourth, Mr. Sen has been teaching us since 2011. Fifth, these girls have been learning dance for 5 years. Sixth, those boys have been practicing cricket since 2013. Seventh, you have been watching TV for 2 hours. Eighth, they have been walking daily since last Monday. Ninth, Ramesh has been sleeping since 10 o'clock. 10th, Ramesh has been sleeping for 4 hours. Since and for. Look at the picture and information below. Write the correct number in the circle. This boy is called Ramesh. He started school in 2009. Here the answer will be B. This crow is making a big noise. It started cawing at 6 o'clock this morning. Here the option will be D. This young girl is Susan. She started dancing on 1st January. Here the option will be C. This man's name is Mr. Thakur. He started smiling 10 minutes ago at 10 o'clock. Here the answer will be A. Now question number 2. Write 2 sentences about each of these pictures. The first has been done for you. A. Mr. Thakur has been smiling for 10 minutes. He has been smiling since 11 o'clock. B. Ramesh has been going for school for 9 years. He has been going to school since 2009. C. Susan has been dancing for 11 months. She has been dancing since 1st January. D. The crow has been making a big noise for 2 hours. The crow has been making a big noise since 6 o'clock this morning. Okay students, that's all for today's session. I hope you all get it well. That's all. Thank you.